Ha? Okay. Lakaw na. Kiss ako kay Dodong. Wait lang. Naku, Dodong. No. I love you. I love you. What?
Can you kiss me too?
Huh?
Kiss me too.
Okay, okay. Wait lang. Kabal-ubal siya. Okay. Come on. Come on na.
Uy!
Come on na. Taro nga, gunitin na.
I'm going to put...
Ha?
I'm going to put...
Bye. Bye.
Uban ka. Bye, Daddy. Uban ka. Uban ka. That's your bag. Kiss na kay Zali. Dali. Kiss na.
Bye, Zyler.
Oh. Uy, nag-kiss lang si ate. Bye, Zyler.
Mami?
Ha?
Pandi ay ko.
Yes. You want?
Ang bread.
Okay, butang lang din na. Wait lang. What? What?
That's why you tell me na.
You ask? I ask? Ha?
That's why you actually tell me mag... I think I will see Isa, my classmate, because nag-ato daw po siya sa Hong Kong.
Ay, Hong Kong lahi man to. Hong Kong man to. Let's go inside na. Go inside na. Go inside.
Oh, yay!
Dili ka.
Can I wear my jacket na lang?
Cold. Igang pa. Ano lang sa size? Ano lang sa
Habak
Pwede, ano lang sa
Habak dali.
Yun lang. Kaya naka po yung sulod. Yeah. Next, this one.
Uy, ano? That's why you ask.
What?
That's why you ask kung sino is ako.
Yes. Does it make clear to you now?
Yeah.
Wait lang na kay extra money really. But kay mommy na ha.
Okay.
Tama ni mommy niya in case. And then you got your phone here.
You also brought my phone.
Niya ka ni ID. Pero napapag ka isa ka ID dire.
Okay.
Para sa kuan. Pag mag-travel, put it inside na. Ha?
Okay.
Okay. And then...
Let's put stuff in my bag.
Yes. Hold on. I'm not yet done.
Okay. So I will click.
Okay, this one. Butang na dito sa yung... Butang po na dito. Dala po ko kumoni mo, te. Ay, butang lang ni mo diha sa sulod. Ibutang lang na diha sa sulod. Dili, answer ni sa kuala ni answer ni mo sa plane. Okay, butang diha.
Nagdala po kang sanina sa ako.
Yes! Wala dyan ka idea, te? As in good?
I thought ikaw lang mag-adto sa prinsesa. Pero sa prinsesa.
Wala dyan ka expect. As in zero good.
Yeah. I just got a little clue because you were bringing this one. And then I was feeling confused. And so I know, I don't know, I forgot to
You go in first, Ate Yana. Okay, first time yun, eh? First time ni mo? No, how many times na ka nag-travel? Wear your bag again. Surprise trip!
Surprise trip!
Last year, asa ta nag-add ka? Just the two of us.
Cebu.
And then this here.
Palawan. Puerto Princesa.
Puerto Princesa.
Uy!
Go na! Go na! Kaya naay nagsunod pa. Naay nagsunod. Okay, go! Say thank you. Opo, nabababa po siya, ma'am. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is being refueled as a safety precaution.
Good.
Put your own mask first before assisting others.
Keys.
In case
We are flying to Puerto Princesa. Actually, this is a surprise flight for Yana. She had no idea at all.
Surprise me that we're going here.
Because I just want to see your reaction. I feel happy. If you're happy, are you happy?
Yes, but
Are you
why did you surprise me for going to go to Palawan?
Do you mean nga, wala ta kagisultian?
Yes.
Para ma-surprise jud ka.
Yes, but why are you bringing me to Palawan?
Oh, that's the right question. Kay bakasyon. Di ba last year nagbakasyon punta? You were with mommy. Just the two of us. Asa tanagat to?
Cebu.
Yeah. And this time, Palawan. Ganahan Palawan?
Yes. Going to the underground river.
First time in Palawan.
We're here in Palawan. Let's go.
Hello! Kayon na. Hello! Good afternoon. Yes po.
Sir Ronald po, ako yung driver nila going to the hotel.
Hi po. What?
Also the purple.
You where? You choose where? Wow! Naka-captain seats pa, Jude. Down Puerto Princesa, and we will be staying at U Hotels Puerto Princesa. And as you can see, we're now inside the van. Kasali ito sa you can also book their airport transfer service, airport transport service, whatever you call that. But look at that. It's very convenient, especially pag may kasamang bata.
Hey guys, this is Puerto Princesa. So for now, we're going to the hotel. Our hotel is U Hotel. Oh, I saw a pink car.
We're here now. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's a nice.
This is it. Thank you so much, Kuya Ron. Don't try. Hello. Good afternoon. Fresh produce from Davao. As always. Hello po. Hi. Ara. Hello. Miss Rhea. Of course. Thank you, Miss Oro. We meet again. This is Yana. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Wow. Get one for you. What do you say? Thank you so much. This is our room. Come on. First, on our left. Ate Yana, here. Later na. This is our bathroom. The shower and the toilet. And we have a tub here. Oh my god.
I really want
so homey. Oh my god.
I want this to be my house.
Dito naman, lalagay yung luggage natin later. And this is our bed. Wow!
Oh, dali ko mag-vlog.
Ay! Thank you! Thank you so much! I miss you mucho! And
I want to
Daddy!
climb.
Thank you! You hotel!
Thank you, you hotel. Please. Mommy, we can eat dinner here, Mommy, oh?
Yeah.
This room. Stay here forever. I can live here. I can live here. Like this. I wanna live here. I want to live here. I want to live here. What's that? Oh, shit na lang. There's a shower. Laundry. Bastagan ako ang sleep. Yung ba? Magsuot na ko. Sige na.
Air cook sleepers na pa isa?
Ay, naku!
Uy!
Ibili natin niya. I left it stranded over there. How to open this? How to open?
We will be staying here for 4 nights.
Oh, it's not!
4 nights!
Oh, it's not!
4 nights!
5 nights! I want 5 nights. Hey, what's
So, time now is 4 p.m. And maybe we will just... Do you want to swim?
Yes! Now.
Husgan ka, ayaw.
I feel you. Mami, nabugto.
Gilang. Ayun na lang na.
There. What's up there?
Here, Kai.
Ay, mga swimming yan. Ayun, ay, pool yan.
Oh, kiddie pool.
Perfect.
Slowly. I can't believe we are in Palawan. Look at that. Wow. We just have an emergency. Nag-nosebleed kalit ang inyong ate girl while swimming. Pero may nalang abtik ang first aider. Looy, nosebleed girl. Ayote. Roblox? Nice.
Sounds very yummy.
Since nagaulan, diri lang mi sa Laud Restaurant mag-dinner. Time is 6:21 p.m. And ang among order is tortang talong, 290 pesos. And the other order is Flipping Bird under the kids menu, worth 380 pesos. Ang Flipping Bird is a crispy breaded chicken finger with mayo and ketchup dip. Order ni Madam.
Uy, ito pala.
Tapos nag-order lang may isa ka rice, mag-share lang may because na-learn ako na siya sa amo ang previous trip. Kaya dili dyan na niya mahurot yung rice. So mag-share lang. Kita na oh, yung order. It's the Flipping Bird and the tortang talo. Oh, lami ako yun.
Kani ako ang favorite. No, for you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. All good na. Thank you po. Uy, mag-praise ato.
Ilang ko kayo.
Yan na. This is our hotel. I feel like it's very Instagrammable.